Do you support hundreds or even thousands of workers who use IP desk phones? Have you found it difficult to provide a high level of support when you can't see what's happening on their phones? Avaya have solved that problem for you with the Avaya Diagnostic Server SLAMon. With SLAMon, you can remotely view and control an IP phone all through a web user interface. On the web user interface, you can see what is shown on the phone's display as the local user sees it. You can also see the status of the phone's LEDs and what buttons were recently pressed. And yes, you can remotely press the various buttons on the phone as if the phone were in front of you. This gives you unprecedented visibility and remote control of an IP phone comparable to remote desktop control for PCs. Other than picking up the handset, you can do almost anything on a phone remotely using SLAMon. But the remote diagnostic capabilities don't end there. Have you had issues that seem to be caused by network impairments, or at least you wonder if something in the network may be contributing to the problem? With SLAMon, you don't need to send someone on site to get a packet capture. From the same web user interface, you can execute a remote packet capture on the IP phone's interface for up to 10 minutes. Download the packet capture file on it using a protocol analyzer such as Wireshark. You get the same information as if you had sent someone on site to collect the capture, and it takes just minutes. With Avaya Diagnostic Server Release 3.2, you also get these capabilities for SIP remote worker phones. In today's environment, more and more people are working from home or other remote locations, and they need the same level of support as the main office workers. Now you can provide that with SLAMon. What about network performance monitoring? Would you like to know how the network is performing between two locations? Would you like to be alerted when there is excessive packet loss or jitter or delay on the network before your users report degradation of service? SLAMon provides that visibility and alerting by using the IP phones as probes to monitor network performance. Without impacting their primary function, the phones are used as probes to send synthetic traffic across the network, simulating voice, video, and data traffic. By measuring the network's response to that synthetic traffic, SLAMon can give an historical view of network performance across time and also proactively alert real-time when network impairments are occurring. This monitoring and alerting also apply to end-to-end QoS. Using Avaya patented methods applied to the synthetic traffic generated by IP phones, SLAMon monitors QoS hop by hop from one location to another. SLAMon can alert you when QoS is not functioning properly across the network path, and it can tell you which router on that path is likely misconfigured. And you have the same historical view of network QoS as you do with the network performance monitoring. These robust diagnostic capabilities are provided without having to deploy additional probes across the network because the IP phones are the probes. All you have to do is enable the embedded SLAMon agent that is already in each phone. And you need to deploy the SLAMon server at a central location in your enterprise. SLAMon's robust set of features include a combination of industry standard practices coupled with features and capabilities that are unique to and patented by Avaya. And these features complement the traditional RTCP reporting method employed by Avaya partner products such as Prognosis. Best of all, SLAMon is an entitlement to support advantage preferred. Avaya customers with that level of support have the right to use SLAMon as a free entitlement to their support contract. You can deploy SLAMon yourself or engage Avaya professional services for initial deployment and training.